Welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And then again, a quick one. I just want to tell you three things that can really cause redness and how you can take them off. All right. One is stress. If you're having stress too much, like a lot of people that stress, they don't rest, and their body, they always tell on them, before you know it, you can see them, they're getting old, some getting redness, different symptoms, but basically the redness we're talking about. All right, that is one. Then two, again, you walk under the sun. Some of us who walk that our working duty place is exactly under the sun, they get redness enough too. Then the number three, which is supposed to be number one, is cream reaction. All right, and if you get this, there are some people they just get three of them at once at a go, which is very dangerous. Okay, some lead from redness, they lead to sunburn. All right, or cream burns. All right, so now I just want to advise you that this is the solution I'm holding, and it's not just ordinary solution. You all know how vitamin E is very important in our body system. A lot of people, they don't know all this. The reason why I'm not telling you is for you to know right from now that this is the original solution you can use for your redness. We call it vitamin E redness remover. Vitamin E redness remover. All right, this in 3 days it will suck off the redness, not just it's not it will make it there and remove it and come back. No, it will suck it off, because this is accumulation of wrong information at a particular time that develop that redness. All right, because your body was being stressed a lot or get stressed a lot at that particular time, and now your immune system or your cells, some of the cells, they react to that effect. So with this vitamin E redness remover, this will suck every information which is the redness off, and totally, are you getting it? I make the place stress free. How do you ever use it? Let me show you. You measure 1 cup of water, warm water, and put in a bowl. Then you put this also 1 cup inside of it. Are you getting it? Then you take your face towel, you dip inside and dab, rest on the place, the affected area, and do it for 3 days. Before you know it will suck it off. Are you getting it? Then if you're the type that regularly walk under the sun, mean you keep doing it every day, and it's very, very helpful that way. Are you getting it? So redness remover, it all depends on the stages of that redness anyway, because some of your redness must have accumulated and about to turn into a bounce already before you will now say, oh, let me give it a try. No, don't. When you get to that stage, it's very dangerous. Don't expect this redness remover to remove it. All right, or before you know it started from the redness started forming other inflammatories or effect on your face, wrong bad effect on your face. Don't wait till that time, because it's dangerous. All right, so the moment you notice you have the symptom that your face is always reddish, just apply this, just that. Are you getting it? Before you know it, before 3 days, it will clean it up and regulate your face back to normal. So it is very obvious that a lot of you that want to give it a try, you keep contemplating, you keep procrastinating, you keep considering. Don't consider, procrastinate, or do or think to get difficult for you. At that moment that you have this symptom, all you have to do, knock on Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare door, or pick the number on your screen and give him a call. Yo, I want to get this off my face. All right, so we should stop procrastinating, because that's gonna really make everything worse. Now that you've heard this, aside that, we have other ways, other items as well too that you can use. All right, we have other good gels that you can use clean off your redness also, or other face cleansers you can use as well. And we have other beautiful product that you can be using for your skin to bring out a color. All right, then don't forget that we ship everywhere. We ship everywhere worldwide. We ship everywhere, being wherever you are. And also we train too. So bye bye.